Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge video. Now, for this challenge video, I've never seen personally someone do this before. Does not mean that no one has done it before, but I'm gonna be doing it today. It is going to be a challenge of putting my makeup on with both of my hands. And you're probably like, what in the world does that mean? Well, I'm gonna take like my blush up my cheeks at the same time, take my eyeliner, get my eyes all nice and lined beautifully, and of course, lipstick and all of the above at the same time. This is probably the biggest mistake ever, but I'm gonna go for it. I'm excited about giving it a try. And if you would like to see how this comes together and how the results end up looking, then stick around with me. Don't go anywhere and keep watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And if there are any other challenges that you would like to see me do, let me know in the comments down below. Always up for a really good challenge. So, but let's first focus on this one. So here we go. First step, priming the eyes. And I guess I'll just use my finger. Let's go on our finger like this. Get some, oh, what am I doing? Okay, easy part, priming the eyes. All right, that is done. Now I'm gonna be using the same like powder here. I'm just gonna dip my powder brushes in it. Got my powder brushes. Ooh, this fun. Tap them off a little bit and set. Okay, all right. So far, so okay. Using the Naked Reloaded palette today from Decay. So we're gonna get these nice blending brushes here. Oh boy, and here we go into the crease. Oh, whoa, I don't think oh, this is really hard. My left hand is like, what am I doing? I don't know. I can't even get them to go together. A little more of that, we're a little more. Deepen it, darken that crease. Yes. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take a more precise blending brushes. I'm picking up. Like a hint of endgame, not too much. I'm blending back and forth. A little bit of like a triangle shape. Okay, we're coming together. Do a little dishy dash more of each of those. Can't really watch for this. I'm like, oh my God. Gotta feel. Okay, I think I felt the crevasse. Ha! Now, okay, so let's go ahead and. Okay, I'm facing the right way. I feel like I'm trying to focus more on my like left eye, but it's like not working. Need those two spots to be a little sharper. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm gonna put those down. I'll blend it out a little bit on the end there. Now, I'm gonna pack. Where'd we go? How much higher? Okay. Oh. Oh, crap. That looks scary. I'm gonna take more of a detailed brush. These little guys, you have to kind of refix the line of like where the cut crease is. So that's what we're gonna do. Maybe more. Now, I'm gonna dibble dabble these in the outer third and kind of blend them into fire. No, oh, burn. Oh, right into burn. Here we go, blendy, blendy. Let's see, what step do I want to do next? Time to conceal. Okay, this is hard on different sides of your face. Whatever. Blending. Powder. Here we go. Let's start the contour. I mean, we're going at it. Let's do the face. Getting chiseled today. Yes. Work it up the forehead. And sculpting, 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 shaping. Yes. Blush. Blend those two together a little bit. Let's go ahead and start doing these brows. This is what I'm a little nervous about. Don't be scared. Just think you got this. You can do it. Kind of. Step 2 with these brows. Here we go. And yes, this way. Okay. Brow gel. I'm gonna take this with my left hand and kind of, oh, better, beautiful, perfect. Okay, I want to start doing my lower lash line. Yep. Then, oh, let's take the more detailed. Yes, I'm taking the more detailed with some end game. And we're gonna focus this on the outer third. Let's go back to those blending brushes and blend it out. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. Eyeliner. So here we go. We got right side. What do we got here? What do we got here? Left side. We have to do a wing. We have to do a wing. We're doing a wing. We're doing a wing. We have to do a wing. Here we go. We're winging it. Ooh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. The right side's actually way worse. This is so crazy. I think because I'm concentrating so much on my left side, my poor right side's like, bitch. Hold on. Ooh, then I'm gonna take colored liners and do my waterline. I figured my eyes don't even match. Let's have the liners not match. Here we go. Oh God, I did it. Yes! How do you like that? Green, purple, green, purple. I felt like the hardest things was going to be my eyeliner and, well, and my brows, and actually putting my lashes on. Oh, and the lipstick. Okay, maybe I thought more than, okay, let's just keep going. This could be really, just take your time, get in sync. Okay. All right. Lashes. Oh, I gotta do the mascara on the bottom. I'll get to that in a second. Wispy wispies. Here we go. Okay, I only have this one stick of lash glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and like lube the one up with my good hand and then do a bad hand on the other side. Wait a second, which eye is this? Go where we go. Maybe I should have done this one first. I kind of have to get a little close for this, so I apologize if this doesn't look, I don't know if you can't see it very well. Could you see that? Like, no. Like right when it's so high. That's okay. We're leaving it. Ain't fixing it. Ooh, mascara on the bottom. Here we go. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Let's see. I think 3 more steps. Setting, highlight, lips. Oh! Setting spray time. That's enough. You know what's about to happen. One of my favorite highlights right now. I'm gonna use my fingers. More. Oh, God knows. Ooh, sexy, sexy time. Ooh, and then wait, let's use the pinky finger. A little bit on the brow bone. Last step. These are not the same reds, they're a little bit different. They look very similar, but I'm gonna go with these. Okay, there we go. I usually don't like line my lips this big. Well, they're not huge, but I don't usually go like this far down or even. It's fine, it's fine, it's okay, it's fine. Quickly, I'm gonna take my powder brushes and get like kind of the T-zone, just minus your nose, because I like to be mattified. Done. And this is the completed look. Let's get a little close up. Okay, here we go. All right, it's not too shabby, but like things like, you know, eyeliner and stuff's all messy. It's not crisp and clean. My lips are all. Thank you so much for checking out today's challenge video. I had so much fun doing this, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys give this challenge a try, and also come follow me on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see your results. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope that all of you will come and join me next Monday for another video. So stay safe out there, stay smart, stay healthy. I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Can't cross the line, can't cross the line. Ooh, linear. I've been using it for years. Still don't know how to say it, but love this eyeliner. Oh! Sangre. Oh, I wish I would have picked one I know how to say. Oats. I want to look dewy. No, what am I saying? I want to look matte. Yeah. I guess it could have been worse.